Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to get verification badge for your Facebook account. Okay, so for this guys, you can follow this easy and simple method. So I am trying this method in my Android Facebook app. So just open the app. In the top right side corner you can get three lines option. Just tap on it, scroll down and open the settings from here. Okay, in the settings go to personal details like this, and at the end scroll down, you can get the option Meta verified. Just tap on it. Okay, now just tap on subscribe button like this. Now select your Facebook account, just tap on sign up, and here you can get the all details about the verification badge. If you want the verification badge for your account, you need to pay the amount of 699 rupees per month. Okay, after then you will get the verification badge for your account. So if you want to pay, just tap on pay now option like this. Now it will ask you to pay the amount via your debit card, credit card or UPI payment. It will also accept. Just select your payment method, just complete the payment process. Okay, after then you will get the verification badge for your Facebook account. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.